In the previous video, I showed you these products. I actually used 3 of them. I'm going to use the final defining curl cream at the end of this video. In the previous video, I showed you how I analyzed my hair and how I styled my hair. And here is my hair as it was drying. Little cast there.
Okay, I'm back and I want to show you my hair after I scrunched out the crunch. And you can see that it's quite soft and that it is plenty ringlety and defined. And I fluffed it up a little bit, you know, had some fun, make it nice and crazy. So you can see that that worked just fine. We did the protein co-wash and then the refresh leave-in spray and Lulu all over with the pirouetting. So now if I wanted to, I can go through and use my defining curl cream at this point. The tip of this hair is just a little bit frizzy. I might want to get a small section right here where I'm seeing a little bit of frizz. And, you know, I can play with a couple little pieces here and there to touch up, or I could just totally leave it. You know, this is up to you how much time you want to spend on your hair. So the defining curl cream will be really just to bump it right up to the next level.
This is about a dime size of the defining curl cream.
So I'm going to rub this between the palms of my hands and then get a few drops of water on my hands. And then I'm going to apply this just in a scrunching fashion up on the back section of my hair. And then that should do it.